Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the basic syntax of the styling that we can use in our HTML website. We'll talk about how we can link our CSS file to our HTML, and we also see the other way of styling our HTML websites. And let's get started. So what you need to do here is you need to actually open your live server. If you have your live server option in your view or in other menu option, go and check out how you can do that. Then you open your live server here. Now what you need to do here is I'm using image plugin that helped me to write these codes quickly. I'm not gonna waste a lot of time. If you don't know about the image, it's okay if you can type all this. That would be good for you. If you are very beginners, if you don't know these steps, I would recommend you to type this manually. If you don't want to type this manually, you can install the image plugin or extension. You can find it for your browser also. Go and search image. Uh, then you will find this for your different browsers also, and you can install it there and see how we can actually use that in our editor. So what I did is I press this and tab. After using tab, this all codes came. So now we're gonna start it from very basics. This is our style sheet. Actually, this is our body and this is our style sheet. So before I style, I want to give some title to it. So first of all, I want to show you something like how we can link our style sheet to index.html. Before that, let's see here how we can do styling in our HTML file. So for that, you need to use this tag style. You have to open style like this and close like this. And whatever styling you do in this file, you can do it here also. So like I'm just gonna show you, you can use body. Because this is predefined, you can directly write the name of body here. And if you want to change the background color, you can write background and any color to it, like has CCC. This is some kind of gray color, and I will just tell you how you can actually implement colors yourself, how you can understand the what color it would be used just by looking at the code. I will tell you, you will understand this thing later on. Okay, so I think there's some problem here. I don't know why this is getting printed here. It shouldn't come, but you can style it like this. It's not a problem. Oh, I got it. Okay, so in this way you can style it also. You can change the color to something else. You can change it to some red color also. You can change it to green. You can play with this also. But this is not the correct way of doing things. So we are going to stick to as one professional should do. So we have created a style.css and we are going to link this file into our HTML file. So how we can link is we are gonna type link and press tab if you are using Emmet, or if you are not using Emmet, just go and write all these stuffs manually. And here in the link we are going to put the address of the style set, this one. If you are actually having this style in your folder, then you are going to write your folder name slash that file name. But I don't having actually any kind of folder, it is inside my root folder, so I will type style.css. Okay, now what you need to do here is do same thing as you did here in that HTML file. Right, the color has now changed, so it's working. So it's the proof of working. In the next tutorial we will see how we can actually style for our different in actually HTML elements like division, section, and other stuff. We'll start it from the very basics. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.